How to unblock people on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So say for example that you have blocked some people on TikTok, but now you want to unblock them. All what you need to do is open up the TikTok app and log into your account. And once you do that, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings and privacy. Here from the account section, you want to click on privacy. And then you need to scroll all the way down to the safety section. And from there, click on blocked accounts. And here you will find all the accounts that you have blocked. So in order for you to unblock one of them, all what you need to do is click on the unblock button next to it, and it will be blocked. Or you can go click on the profile and then click on unblock. A confirmation box will pop up. Just click unblock to confirm, and there you have it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unblock someone on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.